Hey guys, Shivam here, and in this video we are going to unbox Samsung Galaxy A7 and going to see some features and specifications and box contents. So let's check out the box highlights first. So first we get here is that the Samsung Pay feature, and it is IP68 water and dust resistance, which is very good, and 16 megapixel of front and rear both cameras, though the front camera don't have the LED flashlight. Here we get always on display feature and 64-bit octa-core processor and 144.3mm FHD Super AMOLED display, 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, dual SIM plus SD card and fingerprint sensor. So that's it for the box highlights. So guys, let's unbox it and see what are the things that lies inside the box. So guys, here's the Galaxy A7 with black in color, having metal and glass body. We will be talking about the phone after seeing the box content. Here's the quick start guide, and in the back side of it here's the SIM ejector tool, and here's the USB cable which is of Type-C port, and here's the bundled headphone with the volume buttons and a button to pick up the call. We also get a charger adapter over here, which is a very good thing. And moving forward, we have the fast charger. I'll show you the output of it. So you can see the output, it's 9 volt and 1.67 amps. That means it's a fast charger, which charges the phone very well. So these are the things which you will get if you buy Samsung Galaxy A7 along the box. So let's talk about the physical body. In the front we have the home button with the fingerprint sensor and aluminum left side that includes power button and a speaker grill. And in the left side we get here volume buttons. Here's the primary slot which can take one SIM card. And in the upside we get here one more slot which can take one SIM card along with SD card, and SD card support goes up to 256 GB. Here's the secondary mic for noise cancellation. Here's the primary mic, and 3.5mm audio jack and USB Type-C port are placed in the bottom. The phone is having very good build quality as metal and glass both blend simultaneously, which feels really good when we hold it, and its aluminum sides isn't slippery. So that's it for the physical body. So guys, let's do the phone on. It will take some time to get boot up and for full setup. Until then, check out the specification overview. Samsung Galaxy A7 27 edition comes with Exynos 7880 octa-core processor which works on 1.9 GHz and 3GB of RAM with 32GB of internal storage on board, 5.7-inch 1080p Super AMOLED Gorilla Glass display, and Mali T830 GPU dual SIM with dedicated micro SD card, and 16 megapixel rear and front camera with f1.9, 3600 mAh battery with fingerprint scanner with NFC for Samsung Pay. So as you can see, phone has been successfully set up and it is on now. So you can see its main theme, and the icon edges are too sharp because of the 1080p display. Here in the draw lock we get some cool features like blue light filter and a secure folder. And if we swipe left, we get here NFC for Samsung Pay and always on display feature, which is very cool, and smart view, NS bike mode, NS power planning, which is very common in all Samsung mobiles. So let's on the always on display feature and let's see how it works. So you can see always on display feature looks really good. Guys, mobile runs on Android Nougat operating system. I'll show you the version of it by going in the setting and to the about phone and go to the software information and to the Android version. So guys, here you can see it is Android Nougat, that is latest version of Android, that is Android 7.0.1. So let's check out the storage and memory informations by clicking on the device maintenance, and after that clicking on the storage. You will get 22 GB out of 32 GB, what you can increase via micro SD card. Here you can see the available space is 20 GB because I just added some videos in it. So we are seeing the RAM information now. So let's check out. So 1.3 GB of RAM remains after the cleanup for to use. So guys, now let's check out the battery information. Mobile comes with 3600 mAh battery which runs over a day easily. Some power saving modes we also get over here, and mobile can be charged up to 80% in little more than an hour with its fast charger. Here's the battery uses graph which lets you see how much battery got drained on which apps or system. Guys, if we talk about the display, it comes with 5.7-inch Super AMOLED display and have 1080 x 1920 pixel resolution, which makes icon and text edges very sharp. I have a 1080p video. Now let's check out how this mobile handles that one. So mobile can handle 1080p video very well, and stock player can also support 4K videos. Let's check out the speaker performance. So speaker is not that loud as it is common in all Samsung mobiles, but it sounds very well. So guys, in the camera features, mobile comes with 16 megapixel of back and front both cameras, and with taking good qualities of picture even in low light, and also very good quality of focusing as in both Samsung A7 and A5. So guys, mobile handles focusing point very well, but it doesn't apply in the video recording while the objects are moving. I will leave some sample pictures in the end of the video so you can see its camera quality. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like, comment and don't forget to subscribe for more Tech Plus unboxing videos.